Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm outside. As you can see, it's snowing here in the Netherlands and it's cold. So we want to have a quick meal. My kids are playing outside with the sleds and yeah, we're all busy. So we need some quick food and really nice food. So for today, we're gonna make wraps, and wraps with some meat, with some garlic mayonnaise and with some vegetables. So let's go to the kitchen. So making our own garlic mayonnaise. We're going to start off with 1 egg yolk. Try to get only the yolk. That's it. And 2 complete eggs. 1, 2. Then we're gonna put a couple of tablespoons of oil in there. 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna give it a little whisk. Then I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 2, 3. And we're gonna give it a small whisk. Now here comes the trick. I'm gonna need 300 milliliters of olive oil. There we go. My tool in full whack. And by getting it up and down, you will get the mayonnaise. Let's give it a taste. Ooh, nice one. Then we're gonna add some salt and pepper. Give it another whisk. And this is part 1. And now there's a thing, my kids don't really like the garlic mayonnaise. So what am I gonna do for them? I'm gonna grab myself a spoon. Gonna take some out. And there we go. I'm gonna take myself some ketchup. Add a little bit of ketchup in. Give it a stir. And now we've got the cocktail sauce for the children. Get yourself some chives. Chop up some chives. Get some chives in. Also in the mayo. Chives are in. A little whisk. And this is the sauce for the children. And then we're gonna make it a garlic sauce. And of course, what's a garlic sauce without garlic? Get it in the mayo. Get my machine back. And the garlic sauce is ready. Give it a little taste. The sweetness of the honey, the spiciness of the garlic. So this part is ready. Now we're going to continue with the filling of the wrap. Of course, I'm going to use some chicken with some Tex-Mex herbs. Already got it in for a week to let all the flavors get into the meat, get into the chicken. And for the rest, just use whatever you got left. like the lettuce. We still have half of a lettuce. We're gonna use some paprika, some bell peppers. We're gonna use some cucumber. We're gonna use some spring onions, some yellow onions. Yeah, just whatever you got left, just use it and it will be fantastic. You'll see. So let's get everything cutted. I got some leftover lettuce. I'm gonna trim it down a little bit. Hardcore out. Chives. Small onion rings. Spring onions, also finely chop them. The cucumber. Sweet point paprika, small rings. And there we go. Tomatoes, gonna cut them in half. Wedges. The smaller the tomatoes, the more taste they have. So I'm always going for the smaller ones. So, veggies done. Full whack. Heating up this pan for the ribs. I want to have them a little bit warmed up. And here for the chicken with the Tex-Mex. A little bit of olive oil or neutral oil, whatever you want. Get it warmed up. Getting nice and warm. In with the chicken. Number one. Adding a little bit of butter to get that now nice browny color. Getting all bubbly. Yes, these are the wraps. For my children, ideal, really ideal. For them, it feels like they're making their own food. Yes, even though it's only like a wrap and some loose ingredients, for them it's really like they are making the food. And that's wonderful. It's quick, it's easy, you can use anything you want. If you want to use corn, it doesn't really matter. Just use whatever you've got left in the fridge. Well, this was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. And we're gonna see each other next week. Bye bye.